A Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) supporter who coined the Orwadziwa slogan has died. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Namo Enias Manyatera, a dedicated supporter of the former CCC leader Nelson Chamisa, gained popularity with his catchphrase, Chamisa Orwadziwa, in the run-up to the 23rd August 2023 elections. Manyatera, who had been unwell for some time, passed away at the age of 81. The Chamisa Orwadziwa became a popular slogan at CCC rallies across the country, with party activists composing songs using the catchphrase. Manyatera served as an election agent and chief political strategist in opposition politics, actively fighting against the ZANU-PF party. His contributions were highly regarded by opposition parties, including the former Citizens Coalition for Change, Mashringo, Proportional Representative Parliamentarian, Honorable Mugido. He was also the father of Willard Manyatera, a former goalkeeper for Zimbabwe Premiership giants Dynamos Dembare Football Club and the Zimbabwe national team, as confirmed by Mr. Festus Dumbu, a football and sports administrator based in Chiredzi. This is today's news about the Orwadziwa slogan maker recently passing away. Please let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.